Hello everyone, welcome back to Exam Ignite YouTube channel. And here I have a quick important video about the fifth semester. Before going to the fifth semester, so recently we have got a VTU fourth semester results were announced. And first of all, congratulations to everyone who have cleared the subject successfully. If you have passed with the help of my handwritten notes and module-wise videos and the important questions, so I would like to hear your experience from my videos. So please drop a comment and tell me how was it useful and was it helpful for your preparation? Which subjects did you find the most helpful in my series? So your feedback motivates me and it also helps the other students to discover the right study material and the resources for their VTU exams. So and also if you have not cleared any of the subjects or don't feel discouraged. So backlog happens and it's okay, but this time don't wait for the last minute preparation. So go back to my channel and you will get the subject wise series. So watch the in the fourth semester subjects. So watch them from that starting. I have uploaded all the module wise and I even have provided few important questions and some question papers. So go through all those important questions video or module wise handwritten notes and also the previous year papers, and I can assure you, if you follow everything properly, you will definitely clear the subjects in your next attempt. So this is what I feel about the handwritten notes, and I want you to clear the subject as early as possible. And another one thing is, in the last semester, I had started the videos making in the end of the semester, that is during the semester end exam. So it might not help you that much like it was in the end preparation during those exam days. But this time for the fifth semester, I'm starting from the beginning of the semester itself, so that it helps in your internals preparation or for your lab components or anything, or even for your semester ends exams revision or anything for that matters. So I hope this series will help you a lot. And mainly one more thing, a small update I wanted to give you here is, many of you have commented me that asking the PDF of the notes in the whole videos that I have uploaded. So first of all, thank you for commenting and supporting, but I have replied to almost all the messages except for the one who are asking the PDF. And that is why the reason is I cannot give the PDF directly, because the viewers count gets reduced and many of them may skip the videos, and that will reduce my view count and reach or the future content motivation what you give in my comments that get reduced. So I want you to watch the video. So instead of that asking the PDF, I may suggest you one thing. I strongly suggest that you have to watch the video and make your own key points, or you can say short notes. So trust me when you write while listening, and it improves your understanding and memory and helps you to retain more. So that helps you more. So sorry for that. And my handwritten notes are based on the textbook. First, I have referred the textbook, then I have referred the module notes or what are the materials that are available based on the syllabus, based on the previous year question paper and model question paper. I'll be preparing the notes. This is what my scheme of preparation of every notes. So, which will be your best for your revision material or for your exams. So now, for now, let's me start with the fifth semester syllabus. So first subject we are having is technological innovation and management entrepreneurship. So this is a code of BEC 501, our first subject with a credit of 3 credits. This is a 3 credit subject and total number of lecture hours is 40. You'll be having CIE 50 marks and SCE 50 marks. So module 1 is about the management and planning, where you're having nature and function of management, and there some important definitions and management functions like that. And the planning here also, it's about nature, importance, types, what are the planning types and steps and limitations. Module 2 is about organizing and staffing, that is organization, what is mean by that, what are the characteristics, what are the process, principles, all those things. And directing and controlling. In the module 3, social responsibility of business and entrepreneurship. In the module 4, modern small business enterprises and idea generation and feasibility analysis. Module 5 is about business model, financing and how to start a business, project design and the network analysis. This is a bit medium subject. Once you understand and remember all the points that you have to write in the questions that was asked. So you can clear the subject. It is a little theory part subject. So this can be done well. And our next subject is the 4 credit subject, that is Digital Signal Processing, DSP, with the subject code of BEC 502. This is a 4 credit subject and this is an IPCC subject, that is there is a lab component where we will be having a internal lab for this subject. And here what you'll be learning is about the signals systems and signal processing, their classification and concept of frequency in continuous time and discrete time sinusoidal signals, then discrete time signals and systems. In the module 2, Z transform, discrete Fourier transform. In the module 3, DFT properties, that is some time reversal of a sequence and much more. Efficient computation of DFT and FFT algorithms. Then in the module 4, it is the design of FIR filters, and module 5 is IIR filter design. So infinite impulse response, filter format, and many of things you'll be learning. Here in the lab component, you'll be having some of the experiments based on the subject, to programs to generate a unit sample sequence and signal addition and casual system. These are some of the programs, and you will have to learn them for your lab internals as usual. Next comes the next subject is our digital communication. So in digital communication, this is a 4 credit subject, but this is a PCC subject, that is you are not having any lab component, just only the theory part. So in this subject, this is a 4 credit subject, and here in the module 1, it's a band pass signals to equivalent low pass and signaling over AWGN channels. In module 2, digital modulation techniques. In the module 3, that is information theory. Module 4 is about error control coding, linear block codes, cyclic codes. Module 5 is about convolution codes. This is all about a logic. You need to understand what is the concept is. Once you get to the concept, you can answer the questions. So you need to know the core concept of what are the topics about. So I'll be providing you all these things. Don't worry. And our next subject is you'll be having an elective of choosing. So the first elective is Digital Switching and Infinite Automation Theory. This is a 3 credit subject of the code BEC 515B. 515A is also available about the artificial intelligence. This is 515B. Either this you can choose, where you'll be learning about the logic design testing for the combination circuits in module 2, finite state machines and capabilities, minimization and transformation of the sequential machines in module 3. Then in module 4, asynchronous sequential circuits. In module 5, memory definitionness and the information loss, lessons of the finite automation. So this is our second elective you can choose, or the another thing is you can go with the data structures using C++. So I hope in the among the 4 electives in this, I'll be providing the notes mainly for this, that is data structures using C++. This is a 3 credit with code BEC 515C. Here the module 1 is about software engineering principles and C++ classes. Module also, you are having pointers and array based list. In module 2, linked list and stacks. In module 3, queues and algorithms. Module 4 is about binary trees and B trees. Then module 5 is about graphs. So I hope I'll be providing very good notes for this DSA in C++ elective. Or else you are having another one subject is satellite and optical communication. This is completely about the theory subject, BEC 515D code with a 3 credit subject. Here you will be learning about module 1 satellite orbits and trajectories, module 2 satellite subsystem, Earth station and communication satellites in module 3, in module 4 optical fiber structures, in module 5 optical sources and detectors, WDM concepts. So this was all about this elective. These are the 4 electives. You will get an option of choosing among this, if which you are comfortable or what is your favor based on the syllabus. Do choose that subject, so that helps in your preparation. Mainly the satellites and optical communication helps you in scoring your subject, so that this boosts your CGPA. If you are oriented towards the placement and your concept learning, you can go with the DSA, which helps in your placements coding rounds. So it depends on that. And next is our lab component. Here, Digital Communication Lab. This is a single credit lab, BECL 504, where you'll be having experiments of 2 parts. One is hardware experiments to conduct using the FPGA based software defined test and measuring instruments. We are having 4 generation and demodulation of amplitude shift keying signal, phase shift keying signal, frequency shift keying signal that we had learned in the PCS subjects, and generation of DPSK signal and detection of data using the DPSK transmitter and receiver. Or else the simulation experiments where you will be using the MATLAB or Scilab or LabVIEW or any of the softwares to do these experiments. This is a program, that is software experiments. So this was all about the single credit lab. And here research methodology and IPR. This is a subject which is having a code of PRM K557. This is common for all the branches and it is having a credit of 3 credit subject. Here it is a bit theory subject and you need to know the concepts. Here also you need to understand what are the points mainly you need to write in the like what are the types or what are the classifications that and all you things you need to know here. In the module 1 it is about introduction to the subject, completely about the research and what is the objectives of engineering research and motivation in engineering research and what are the types and finding and solving a worthwhile problem. So like this. So in the module 2 it is about the literature review, technical reading, attributes and citations. In module 3 it is introduction to intellectual property, patents and process of patenting. Then in the module 4 it is about copywriting and related rights and trademarks. So module 5 is about industrial designs, geographical indications and case study on the patent. So this is completely about how you publish your research papers. So this helps in your making your projects or publishing your papers. This subject helps you having an awareness about those things. So this is one of the common subject for all the branches. And the another one common subject is environmental studies of the subject code BESK 508. This is a 2 credit subject and this is a multiple choice, that is multiple choice questions will be asked in your CIE as well as in the SEE. In the module 1 ecosystem and sustainability, module 2 natural resource management, module 3 environmental pollution and waste management, module 4 global environmental issues, module 5 environmental legislation. So this is all about this subject. So this is a subject where you will be having the MCQ questions. So I'll be providing you the notes for this also. Each question will be for 1 marks and you will have to answer it in the OMR sheet in your final semester exams. So single credit, 2 credit subjects. So that was all about the 5th semester syllabus. I hope you have got an overview or an idea of how the subjects are in the 5th semester and how you will have to prepare yourself for the internals or everything. So I hope the video is helpful for you. And another one thing is, lastly, one more exciting update I want to give here is I'm preparing some placement preparation contents also, which will include like aptitude or you can say programming skill basics and all some real time tips for cracking the placement rounds will also be updated in this channel. This is all my further goals to enhance my YouTube channel. So I hope this will also help you in your preparation. It will be coming soon, and always I'll support you with all the notes and everything, and this will be an accurate and a very good notes for your preparation, which will make your easy to understand format mainly. So thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to Exam Ignite so that I'll your views and your subscribers and the comments you give me are the main motivation for me to create more and more content and help you in your studies. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned, stay strong, and stay focused.